Okay, here's my homemade version of the tire changer. Got me a PVC pipe. I was going to mount it. See the bottom of it? I was going to mount that to the ground, but I didn't have to. I got me 2 round bars. I broke the bead by stepping on it. Got the 2 bars in there. Now I'm gonna crisscross them and push it open, off. And there you go. It's off. See that? Now I'm gonna break it on the other side. Breaking the bead on the other side so I can get the inner tube in it. There you go, I broke it. There you go. It's broke on both sides. I'm going to put the inner tube in it. Here, the inner tubes, I got them two of them for, I think, $24 off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Okay. I got the inner tube in. Pulled it through. Now I gotta get the tire on, back on. Wish me luck. Okay, this is the finished product. I'm sorry I couldn't show you how I got it on, but I used, this is the finished product. Sorry I couldn't show you how I got it on, but it was a work in progress. I had to use 2 screwdrivers and grip pliers with my knee, pushing it down.